G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. I've built the next circuit for me scope tube video monitor, and this is the sawtooth wave generator to create the horizontal and vertical sawtooth waves. And the circuit diagram is here, and yeah, I built it to spec and double checked as I went along, and then checked again to make sure it was all wired up correctly, and the sawtooth generator is working. So currently I've got the line output, the line sawtooth output connected to the oscilloscope, and it's a mostly clean sawtooth, kind of a little bit curved at the bottom as my mate pointed out, but he reckons it should be okay. So yeah, it's at an amplitude of 2, 4, 6, 8, bit over 8 volts, and the pulse width is about 3.4 milliseconds. Now I'm going to quickly switch it over to the field pulse, and we'll see what ratings we get on that. So need to my phone just dropped out of my hand, but all good. Okay, so I'll bring up my field pulse. Okay, as it's a lot slower, the lines aren't as persistent, so, but looking at it, just get it into position. So what's it, 20 milliseconds per division, 20, 40, 60, 80, so it's roughly about 100 milliseconds. The pulse width and the pulse height is about 2, 4, 6, bit under 8 volts. So that's the field pulse width, which is the vertical. The line pulse is the horizontal. Anyhow, the sawtooth looks great. It looks slightly curved, but hopefully it's still acceptable. Yeah, I believe these pulses are given the times of them. I believe they're the set times for narrow bandwidth television, 32 line standard, which is what I'm making this monitor to begin with, before I venture out into making it also composite video compatible, and like television compatible, and slow scan TV compatible. I'm starting with narrow bandwidth 32 line television, but yep, so these are made for this line generator is made for narrow bandwidth television 32 line standard. Anyway, that's all working, so I'm very pleased about that. I've got all the wiring done correctly first up, and picked up on mistakes along the way, thankfully. So I'm now ready to hook this up to me deflection circuit and see if we get a raster on the screen. So stay tuned for that in the next video. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.